A great-looking finish begins with the right start. Following the proper prep procedure will dramatically affect the look and longevity of your finished project. Before you start, remove any loose or peeling paint by sanding with a medium grit sandpaper or wire brushing the surface. If necessary, degloss any glossy surfaces by scuff sanding or using a chemical deglosser. If the majority of the previously coated surface is in poor condition or peeling, it may be necessary to completely strip the entire surface by using Behr Premium No. 992 Concrete and Masonry Paint Stripper. The paint stripper is formulated to strip stains, epoxies, urethanes, elastomerics, alkyds, sealants, and most industrial and architectural coatings. For your safety, please wear protective clothing, eye goggles, and acid-resistant rubber gloves and footwear. Please follow all label instructions. Apply a thick layer of paint stripper onto the surface using a paintbrush or bristle broom to distribute evenly. The paint stripper thickness should be such that the previous coated surface is completely covered. The penetration of the paint stripper will vary according to coating type, thickness, and temperature. If hot or windy conditions cause drying, reapply a light coat of paint stripper. The paint stripper will wrinkle when the job is done. Most coatings will take between 1 and 6 hours to lift. Check periodically during the waiting period to ensure that the coating is completely covered with the paint stripper. If the coated surface becomes visible again, reapply a light coat of paint stripper. The paint stripper should remain wet and active until the coating wrinkles. Use a scraper or pressure washer to remove all coating and residue. The stripped surface must be rinsed with water thoroughly to remove all chemical residues before recoating. Prevent all rinse solution from entering storm drains. If the majority of the previously coated surface is in good condition, you can recoat over it. However, you are still required to clean the surface. Use Behr Premium No. 990 Concrete and Masonry Degreaser and Cleaner to clean and degrease the surface. The degreaser and cleaner is a powerful citrus-based multi-purpose interior and exterior cleaner specifically formulated to remove grease and oil stains, algae stains, mildew stains, dirt, and most auto fluids from concrete surfaces. This can be used full strength for tough stains or diluted for general cleaning. For your safety, please wear protective clothing, eye goggles, and acid-resistant rubber gloves and footwear. Please follow all label instructions. Apply the product directly on stained areas for best results. It is highly recommended to use a plastic watering can to evenly distribute product. Use the product at full strength for tough stains and diluted for general cleaning. Work the degreaser and cleaner into the surface with a stiff bristled, non-metal brush or broom. Allow the product to stand for 10 to 20 minutes, then scrub vigorously. Do not allow it to dry on the surface. After application, be sure to thoroughly saturate surrounding grass and plants with fresh water. Rinse surface thoroughly with fresh water while scrubbing at the same time to properly remove all remaining residue. Pressure wash for best results. Remove excess water with a non-metal squeegee or mop. Prevent all rinse solution from entering storm drains. In addition to the degreaser and cleaner, use Behr Premium No. 991 Concrete and Masonry Cleaner and Etcher to etch any bare concrete areas. The ideal surface profile should be clean and feel like a medium to light grit sandpaper and can be achieved by using Behr Premium No. 991 Concrete and Masonry Cleaner and Etcher. The cleaner and etcher is an interior-exterior surface prep specifically formulated to clean and etch bare concrete and masonry surfaces to improve penetration and adhesion of paints, stains, and sealers. For your safety, please wear protective clothing, eye goggles, and acid-resistant rubber gloves and footwear. Please follow all label instructions. For best results, use a plastic watering can to evenly distribute. Then spread the cleaner and etcher using a stiff bristled non-metal brush or broom. Allow the cleaner and etcher to stand for at least 10 to 20 minutes on the surface, then scrub vigorously using the broom. Please note, for best results, apply the cleaner and etcher onto a dry surface. Ensure the cleaner and etcher does not dry on the surface. Heavily stained areas, older stains, or dense smooth finishes may require additional applications. Thoroughly rinse the concrete surface with clean water using either a garden hose with a high-pressure nozzle or a pressure washer. The surface is ready for priming when it feels like medium to light grit sandpaper and no residue or loose concrete remains. Excess residue may interfere with the adhesion of the finish coating. To avoid adhesion issues, ensure the surface is clean of all residue by wiping your fingers over the clean floor to check for dust or powder. If residue is visible on your fingers, repeat the rinsing step. Now that the surface is clean and etched, apply the Behr Premium No. 880 Concrete and Masonry Bonding Primer to spot prime any uncoated concrete surfaces to enhance the adhesion. This primer will improve the adhesion of paints and stains by binding together loose particles. Use on uncoated interior or exterior surfaces such as concrete, masonry, stucco, cinder block, and any porous stone or brick. Please follow all label instructions. 1 gallon will cover approximately 350 to 500 square feet. Apply using a high-quality pump sprayer, 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch nap roller, nylon polyester brush, or pad applicator. Cleanup is easy using a commercial brush cleaner. The bonding primer dries to the touch in approximately 2 hours. Allow for longer dry time and cooler temperatures and higher humidity. Apply a top coat after at least 4 hours, but before 30 days. Use the bonding primer when air and surface temperatures are between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the surface is clean, prepped, and primed, it is time to apply the top coat. Please follow all label instructions.